Hello guys, it's me, Abir. Today I will show the payment proof for Wild Cash. I made a video on this app a few days ago. Check the description if you didn't see it. I will give you the video link. You can see that I have more than 9 lakh coins. Now I'm going to exchange it. A minimum of 8 lakh coins can be exchanged. 8 lakh coins means $1.5. Now click the maximum amount, then click the exchange button, and they will review your coins. As you can see, all of my coins were successfully converted to UHGT. You must now change this UGHT to BSUD. To swap, click at 100%. Then click again. It takes a moment to convert into BSUD. After that, you can check my balance. I have 1.8 BSUD. Now go to withdraw and take the BNB address from your Trust wallet. You can also use Binance. Now, select Send OTP. You will receive an OTP. Check your email and paste it here. Now click to withdraw. After some hours, I received my payment. You can see that. Hopefully, you have enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel. If you face any problems, you can tell me on Telegram. The link is in the description. I will meet you with another new video. Till then, take care and goodbye.